a double-edged sword. As much as it is a platform or like a space where you can express yourself, it's also parang ang hirap din i-express yung sarili mo because of judgment. But right now kasi with everything that's been going on, people are so harsh on social media. And nakakalungkot, honestly, to see people fighting about just whatever, you know. Pero, yun lang, parang I tread lightly on social media as much as, you know, I do share bits of my life din naman on social media, and it is part of work. And I still love interacting with fans naman and, you know, with friends as well. Medyo nakakatakot lang siya, especially because you can access anything. You know, people can say whatever they want. Like, kahit hindi ka naman celebrity, like, people can say whatever they want to you. And it's very harmful, especially for, you know, for the younger generation, na hindi pa masyadong matibay yung loob. It's so easy to down someone. It's so easy to wish harm on someone. And the most unfortunate part about that is that you can hide behind the screen and not, you know, and not be accountable for your actions, which is really difficult.
Yes.
Social media is not the real world. What I have been, what I guess yung mga stories lang din that I would hear from, you know, from friends that have kids, is parang the younger generation, parang a lot of them are too focused on their image on social media, na it's detrimental to the, parang yung sa real life nila. And the thing is, like, because of what I said earlier, na parang free for all ang social media, it's so easy to affect someone. You know, parang pwede kang magsalita ng masama about someone, especially if it's someone younger. I mean, hindi naman tayo lahat malakas ang loob eh. And not all of us are able to handle any yung bad comments or harm on social media.